Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate the Doodle with Google Sheets. It's very easy. We are going to use Zapier, Zapier.com to be precise. First of all, we have to create an account there, but it's completely for free, so you don't have to sweat it. First, once we create an account and we log in, we are greeted by the dashboard. This is our dashboard and all the apps we already created. You see there is a tons. I strongly recommend you checking it out. But if you want to create a new app, especially Doodle with Google Sheets, we have to go to the top left corner and click on Create App. We click there, and first of all we are greeted by the trigger. The trigger will be our Doodle, so we are kindly going to write that down. Here we have the chosen app. We can change it anytime we want. Then we need to basically pick an event. For now on, we are going to use Doodle event updated. For example, you can pick whatever you want to. Continue. Then we have to pick an account. If we have couple of Doodle accounts, we have to pick the right one, but mainly we have to log in into the Doodle. So I'm gonna use this one or this account. Once it got confirmed, we're just gonna click continue. After we hit continue and everything's fine, we can test the trigger. So we are going to click the test the trigger. The trigger is between Doodle and Zapier, so there's not Google Sheets. After a couple of seconds, the test is done and we see we got a green flag, so we hit that continue button. If you did everything right, you'll see on the trigger option we have this green flag again, so we can proceed to the action. This action will be supported by Google Sheets. I'm gonna get the Google Sheets. Yet again, you can change it anytime you want to. There's an event. So first of all, we have to pick one. Let's go with the first one. For the sake of this video, it doesn't actually matter. We hit continue, and now we have to sign in to Google Sheets. We are going to use the email, and then we allow it. We see that if anything is okay, is right, we have to just continue. Now we have to set up an action with drive, spreadsheet, worksheet, column name, index, etc. and then refresh fields or to continue. If you have some Google Sheets already going on, it will be easy for you. I don't, so I can't really show you, but I can use my Google Drive, I believe, but there's not enough information to create it. Once you do that, you just finish the fields and you save it up. Then your integration will be ready to either link to someone or turn it on or turn it off. Very easy. I strongly recommend you my other videos with integration of the Doodle, so please check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.